Okay. Good afternoon, ladies.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to the class.
Thank you.
How are you today?
Thank you. Very good. Tired, but good.
Excellent. What about Helen?
I'm great. How are you too?
I'm good too. Thank you very much. I want us to look at these pictures. These are some cover of some books that are suggested for a good holiday read. I want you to take a look for 1 minute. Then I want you to discuss which one you have chosen for your next holiday read and tell us why. Okay, maybe we can start with Helen. Which one?
The Story of a Little Frog.
Oh, okay. Good choice. Why?
I think the work period was so hectic. And so during the holidays, I just want to relax and read something which is not that demanding psychologically. So this book looks like something which is maybe for kids, I don't know. And from looking at the cover, it looks like something that is going to be very easy to read, very short, very precise. And I feel like my holiday mood is the type that will accept such. I am not in the mood of reading something complicated. I just want to relax, unwind.
You're right.
Something
exactly.
easy.
Good reason. Thank you very much. What about Selma?
Yeah, I'd like to read The Handmaid's Tale. It's just because I watched the series and I'm curious about the book. I'd like to read the book as well.
Oh, interesting. Yes, there's a series called Handmaid's Tale too, right?
Yeah, exactly. I watched those ones and they're really good. So like I'd like to read the book to see what's the real story.
Excellent. Ladies, can we say according to the cover of a book, we can guess or we can actually decide, we can know what's inside that book?
To some extent, I guess. And
Like
covers actually say a little bit about the book. That is why the saying, do not read the book by the cover exists, because covers are capable of giving you a little bit of what is in the book.
I see. Yeah, you're right. That's actually a fair answer. Thank you. So I guess the cover says you a little bit, maybe the title gives you a little bit of information, right? And then you can actually decide what you want to read. Thank you very much. Okay, what do you see in this picture on the right? What is that?
Outline of an essay.
It's an essay. Very good. Excellent. How many paragraphs, let's say, do we have here in this essay?
I see 4.
4, yeah.
Why do you think they are colored differently?
To distinguish, to know like how many paragraphs are included in an essay.
Excellent. That is true. Anything else?
I feel like each paragraph represents a different idea. That's why they are colored in different colors.
Very good. Great answer. Thank you very much. We can say that a paragraph is somehow like a book. And we can say that the first sentence that you read of that paragraph represents or tells you what you are going to read in that paragraph. So each paragraph has got a couple of sentences that start with something that tells us what the person is going to read in that paragraph. Okay? Any questions so far?
That's good.
Yeah, good.
Okay. Here now we want to take a closer look at one single paragraph. As you can see, the first sentence is in bold. It's bigger because we want to talk about that very special sentence today. It is called the topic sentence. It comes the first, and then following that, we have some detail, maybe some ideas to support what's in that topic sentence. What can we include? So for example, we can support our idea by using some things like what?
Like it in the picture, we can use example, fact, supporting detail, or anecdote. They're all under the topic sentence in the picture.
Bravo. Excellent. That is true. So start with that, and then you're going to give more details to explain or like give further information, let's say. I want you to take a look at this paragraph here. As you can see, we have some sentences. We start with the topic sentence, let's say. We support that, and then at the end, we conclude that sentence. I will give you 1 minute to please read this. Okay, can we say the first sentence is the topic sentence? Did you find the topic in that?
Yes, it's
Yes, I
reading
did.
during the holiday.
Excellent. Selma, what is the topic of this sentence, you think?
Reading during the holidays, like
Excellent.
leisure reading.
Thank you very much. So we can say the keywords are enjoy, people, also, and holidays, and then you support that idea, and then at the end you say, okay, based on the things that I said, that's why I think people enjoy reading during holidays. I'm gonna move on here. I want to ask your opinion on something. Okay, we start with the topic sentence, but we should know what a good topic sentence is. The most important aspect, let's say, is that a topic sentence shouldn't be too general and it shouldn't be too specific, right? Good. I want you to read this paragraph here below and then tell us if you think A is the better option for being a topic sentence or B. Take a look. You can discuss now.
Okay, so I think it's B.
Mm-hmm.
Because in A, it's too specific, as you said, it shouldn't be too specific because it gives like the place, the name of the book, and like too many details.
Very good. Helen?
I will go for B too. Like Selma said, A is too specific, and so B is the better option.
Thank you very much, ladies. Excellent. I also agree with you. What about this one? Take a look. Okay, you can share now.
So I think here the answer is B. Everyone has unique interests that show who they are and how they live. I don't think the answer is A because A is too general. It really doesn't say much. So I'll go for B.
Yeah,
Excellent.
and I agree with Helen.
Very good. So we said not too general and not too specific, right? So for example, if we say not too specific, we don't usually give an example, right? Or a reason, specific reason in paragraph, sorry, a topic sentence. I want you to take a look here. You can see two paragraphs. Let's focus on the first one for now. Read the topic and then read the paragraph. I want you to try to write what you think can be a good topic sentence for this. Could you please type down your answers in the chat box?
Okay.
Number one.
The chat isn't available.
So
let's just use WhatsApp. I'm writing in WhatsApp.
okay. Selma, okay, maybe a better idea would be for you to read it for me.
Okay. So some people talk loudly and eat snacks near the computers. They return books late and don't follow the rules. Because of this, it's hard for others to read and study. So topic of the paragraph is bad behavior in the library, and topic sentence could be something, some people don't behave well in the library. maybe.
I like it very much. Thank you. That was very good. Helen?
Okay, thank you.
I think the topic sentence here might be some people don't understand library etiquette.
Some people don't understand language. Okay, it's a little harsh, but good. That is good. Very good. Thank you very much. For the next one, benefits of exercise. What do you think? 1 minute.
Exercise is good for your body.
Exercise is good for your body. Very good. Helen?
Exercise is good for our general well-being.
General well-being. Okay, good, good. So here you have added a little bit of, let's say, mental well-being is as well, because you said general.
Yes, so it's both physical and mental. So
Okay.
our general.
Excellent.
well-being.
Helen, what were your reasons for choosing this? I mean, what did you see in the other sentences that you decided you should talk about this?
Because the second sentence actually says it helps our body stay strong and our minds feel better. So it's a combination of both. So general well-being actually brings both under the same umbrella.
Perfect. Perfect answer. Thank you. I'm going to the next slide. Let's focus on the one on top, please. Can we start with Selma? What do you think?
Maybe studying online is a good way to learn.
Why did you say that? What, I mean, how do you know this person wants to talk about good?
Because examples are like studying at home using websites or apps. Then a lot of suggestions like about how to do it, like read, listen, practice. And it gives like flexibility to study anywhere and anytime that you want. So it must be a good way to learn. That is what this paragraph is proving. So topic sentence should be in relation to that.
Excellent. Thank you. Can I put the word disadvantage in the topic sentence too? Just to be safe. Like to say is good and bad.
Not really, because in the paragraph, there's nothing saying that online learning could be bad.
Thank you. So we know that whatever we say in the topic sentence, we should be able to support it in the paragraph. Thank you very much. Moving to the last one. 1 minute. Maybe I can ask Helen this time. What do you think? What did you write?
Our neighbors helped us when we had a hard time.
When we had a hard time. Very good. Why did you use the word help?
Because the supporting sentences actually said that, they gave us food, they helped us clean the yard, watched our kids. So all of that is actually showing help towards someone.
Excellent. Salma, do you want to add anything to this?
Not really. I agree with Helen. Our neighbors helped us a lot during the hard time is also what I had written in my notebook.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Do you have any questions?
Thank you. It was a nice lesson.
You're welcome. So for your next session, what I want you to do is to please go to page 15 of your workbook and do the exercises regarding topic sentence. It's in 2B.
Okay.
Page 15, you said?
Page 15, right?
Okay.
Are you going to do it before the class or during the class?
After the class?
I mean the homework.
The homework. Before the class, before the next class, after this one.
Yes, excellent.
Before the next lesson.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
You're
Have
welcome.
a great
Thank
day
you.
and take care of yourselves.
Goodbye. See you, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.